Yeah. So my name is Kenny Rhymes. Yeah, I'm the founder and the CEO of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so we're about to launch our first app that is called Randall Chat. Yeah, so Randall Chat is an app that you can chat your loved ones across the globe, and you can also play games and get USDT reward from it. Yeah, so from now till April, we are testing the app, so you can find the app in the description or on the bio, so that when you start using the app, you can also comment and tell us what we have to add to this app, so that we will make this app very nice. Yeah, and so that we all can enjoy this platform together. Yeah, so right now we are doing human testing, so you can download it and test it and comment on it. So if you're using Android, when you try to download it, they'll be like, "Oh, it's harmful to your phone," but still just download it because it's not yet on Google Play Store, or it's not yet verified on Google. That's why it will give you that feedback. But still, download it and try and use it and give us feedback. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm the CEO of Randall Tech Company. Thank you.